Hello students, in the last lecture we studied about composite function and derivative of composite function. We say the definition of composite function as the function of function is called as the composite function. And for the derivative of composite function we see one theorem. The theorem is if y is differentiable function of u is differentiable function of x, then y is equal to f of x, f of g of x is differentiable function of x, and dy by dx is equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx. Today we solve some examples on composite function. So we solve some examples in exercise number 1.1. Our first example is differentiate with respect to x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 5. Now we can solve this example in two methods. The first method is by applying the derivative for composite function, and the second method is directly apply the formulae that we see in the last period. Now first we see method 1. So let y is equal to given function x cube minus 2x bracket raised to 5 and u is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1. So y is equal to u raised to 5. Now we observe here y is function of u and u is function of x, and both are differentiable functions, and so here we can find the derivative of this y by using the composite function. So here y is differentiable function of u is differentiable function of x, and then by composite function we get dy by dx is equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx. We call this as relation number 1. Now y is equal to u raised to 5. So differentiate with respect to y, we get dy by du is equal to d by du of u raised to 5. And derivative of u raised to 5 with respect to u is 5 u raised to 4. Now since u is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1. So differentiate with respect to x, we get du by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube minus 2x minus 1, and its derivative is 3x square minus 2. Substituting these two values in relation 1, we get from equation 1 dy by dx is equal to 5 raised to u multiplied by 3x square minus 2. Substituting here value of u, we get the required derivative means dy by dx is equal to 5 into 3x square minus 2 multiplied by x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 4. This is the derivative of given function in first method. Now see the second method, that means we apply here directly the formula to find the derivative. So let y is equal to given function. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 5. Now derivative of this function is 5 times bracket raised to 4 multiplied by derivative of bracket. We apply here formula for dy by dx of f of x raised to n. It is n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. Here f of x is our x cube minus 2x minus 1. So it is equal to 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 4 into derivative of x cube minus 2x minus 1. So it is equal to 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 4 into 3x square minus 2. So hence we get dy by dx is equal to 5 into 3x square minus 2 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 bracket raised to 4. This is our required derivative for given function. We observe here in both the methods answer is same. So to solve the such type of example, we apply any one of the method. Now in the next examples, I use second method to solve the problem. So example number 2, differentiate with respect to x square root 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon square root 3x minus 5 raised to 5. Let y is equal to given function. So differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of Given function, it is 5 times square root 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon square root 3x minus 5 raised to 4 into derivative of bracket. Now for the derivative of bracket, we use their corresponding formulas. It is equal to 5 times square root 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon square root 3x minus 5 bracket raised to 4 is equal to derivative of square root 3x minus 5 is 1 upon 2 times square root 3x minus 5 into derivative of 3x minus 5 means 3 is for multiplication. We know derivative of 1 upon square root x is minus half x raised to 3 by 2. Here x is 3x minus 5. So minus minus becomes plus 1 upon 2 times 3x minus 5 raised to 3 by 2 into derivative of 3x minus 5 is 3. I use here this formula. I write that formula here in this 1 upon square root 3x minus 5. I use this formula. Remember this. It is equal to, if we take here 3 upon 2 times square root 3x minus 5 as a common factor, we get 15 upon 2 times square root 3x minus 5. So inside this bracket, we remains with 1 plus 1 upon 3x minus 5 into this bracket as it is. Now simplify this bracket. If we take here LCM as 3x minus 5, we get 3x minus 5 plus 1 means 3x minus 4 in the numerator. So we get dy by dx is equal to 15 upon 2 times square root 3x minus 5 multiplied by 3x minus 4 upon 3x minus 5 multiplied by square root 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon square root 3x minus 5 bracket raised to 4. This is our required answer. Now example number 3, differentiate with respect to x log of tan x upon 2. In the solution, let y is given function, y is equal to log of tan x upon 2. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of tan x upon 2. Now derivative of log of f of x is 1 upon f of x into derivative of f of x. So here it is equal to 1 upon tan x upon 2 into derivative of tan x upon 2. Now derivative of tan x upon 2, it is sec square x upon 2 multiplied by derivative of x upon 2. So it is 1 upon tan x upon 2 into sec square x upon 2 into derivative of x upon 2. Now tan means sin upon cos. So it's a reciprocal here. So it is equal to cos x upon 2 upon sin x upon 2 into sec square means 1 upon cos square x upon 2 into derivative of x upon 2 is half. Here we observe this cos x upon 2 get cancelled with 1 cos x upon 2 here. So here now we remains with 1 upon 2 times sin x upon 2 into cos x upon 2. And this is formula for sin x. So we get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon sin x upon sin x, and 1 upon sin x means cosec x. So we get dy by dx is cosec x. Now say example number 4, differentiate with respect to x log of square root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Now we solve this example again by using two methods, actually by using three methods. First method is by composite method and second method is directly the formula method. And before again by the formula method, we solve this bracket radical sign by using cos 2 theta's formula. Now here I explain both the methods. So in the solution, first I explain the method first. So let y is given function. Again here we use formula for log of f of x, derivative of log of f of x. We get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of square root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. It is equal to 1 upon square root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x into d by dx of square root again. Now its reciprocal goes for multiplication. So we get it is square root 1 plus cos 3x upon 1 minus cos 3x. And derivative of this term is 1 upon 2 times square root into derivative of this radical sign term inside the radical sign. So it is equal to square root of 1 plus cos 3x upon 1 minus cos 3x into 1 upon 2 times square root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x into derivative of term inside the radical sign means 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Now again its reciprocal goes for multiplication. So here square root into square root, same term. So it is the term inside the square root. It is equal to 1 plus cos 3x upon 2 times 1 minus cos 3x. Multiplied by derivative is by using u upon v rule. What is u by v rule? V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square. So it is 1 plus cos 3x into derivative of 1 minus cos 3x minus 1 minus cos 3x into derivative of 1 plus cos 3x divided by 1 plus cos 3x bracket square. It is equal to 1 plus cos 3x upon 2 times 1 minus cos 3x multiplied by 1 plus cos 3x multiplied by, here derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos is minus sign. So minus minus becomes plus sign 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. So here we get 3 into sin 3x minus 1 minus cos 3x into derivative of this term is minus 3 sin 3x divided by denominator as it is 1 plus cos 3x bracket square. Now from these both the terms we can take 3 sin 3x as a common factor. So we get here now 3 sin 3x into 1 plus cos 3x. This minus minus becomes plus. So we get 1 minus cos 3x. Here this 1 plus cos 3x get cancelled with one term here. So in denominator now we remains with 2 times 1 minus cos 3x into 1 plus cos 3x. Now here cos 3x get cancelled and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we get 2 into 3 is 6. So it is 6, or I write here 3 into 2 times sin 3x divided by 2 times, here I use formula for a minus b into a plus b, it is a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos square 3x. Now these 2 get cancelled. So it is equal to 3 sin 3x divided by 1 minus cos square 3x is sin square 3x. So here 1 sin 3x get cancelled, we remains with 3 upon sin 3x and 1 upon sin means cosec, so it is equal to 3 times cosec 3x. Means using this method we get answer is 3 cosec 3x. Now see the second method. Let y is given function. Now put here value for 1 minus cos 2 theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta. We know 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So it is equal to log of 2 sin square 3x upon 2 divided by 2 times cos square 3x upon 2. 2 get cancelled. Sin square upon cos square is tan square. So square root of tan square means tan. So we get y is equal to log of tan 3x upon 2. Now solve this problem same as that of log of tan x upon 2 that we solve in the earlier. Now so we get here differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of tan 3x upon 2. So we get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 into derivative of tan 3x upon 2. So it is equal to 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 into derivative of tan 3x upon 2 is sec square 3x upon 2 into derivative of 3x upon 2 is again for multiplication. So multiply by 3 by 2. Now here tan means sin upon cos. So its reciprocal is there, means cos upon sin. So 3 cos 3x upon 2 divided by 2 sin 3x upon 2 into 1 upon cos square 3x upon 2. 1 cos term get cancelled here. So we remains with 3 divided by 2 sin 3x upon 2 into cos 3x upon 2. And 2 times sin 3x upon 2 into cos 3x upon 2 is sin 3x. So it is equal to 3 upon sin 3x. And hence dy by dx is equal to 3 cosec 3x. Student, I forgot here to write 3. Make here correction in the answer. 3 cosec 3x. That 3 is here. So in the both cases we get the same answer. Okay. Now example number 5, differentiate with respect to x. Y is equal to log of a raised to cos x divided by x square minus 3 bracket raised to 3 log x. Solution, let y given y is equal to the given function. Now use here rule for logarithmic rule. So y is equal to log of a raised to cos x minus log of x square minus 3 bracket raised to 3 into log of log x. Now again use here rule for index. So we get cos of y is equal to cos x into log a minus 3 times log of x square minus 3 minus log of log x. Now we can easily differentiate this. So differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of given term. So differentiate one by one. Here log a is constant, so derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So it is equal to log a into d by dx of cos x minus 3 times d by dx of log of x square minus 3 minus d by dx of log x. So we get minus sin x into log a minus 3 times derivative of this term is 1 upon x square minus 3 into derivative of x square minus 3 is 2x minus derivative of this term is 1 upon log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. I directly write here the terms. So it is equal to minus dy by dx is equal to minus sin x into log a minus 6x upon x square minus 3 minus 1 upon x log x. This is our required differentiation for the given function. Now students, we solve some problems again in the next lecture. So see you again. Thank you.